back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home and garden. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can completely transform your outdoor living space, patio retaining wall design. If you've ever dreamt of a more functional, beautiful, and inviting patio, then you're in the right place. So, what exactly is a patio retaining wall? Simply put, a retaining wall is a structure designed to hold back soil and prevent erosion on a sloped area. When we talk about patio retaining wall design, we're specifically referring to these walls when they are incorporated into a patio or outdoor living area. They can be functional, creating level ground where there once was a slope, or they can be purely aesthetic, defining spaces, creating raised garden beds, or adding architectural interest to your patio. They're more than just a functional barrier, they're an integral part of your landscape, offering both structural support and significant design potential. The benefits of incorporating a retaining wall into your patio design are numerous and truly impactful. First and foremost, they provide essential structural support, preventing soil erosion and managing water runoff, which can be a major issue on sloped properties. This creates stable, level ground for your patio, making it safer and more usable for entertaining, dining, or simply relaxing. Beyond their practical advantages, retaining walls significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. They allow for the creation of multi-level patios, adding depth and visual interest that a flat yard simply can't achieve. You can build raised garden beds directly into them, bringing greenery and vibrant colors closer to your living area. They also help define distinct zones within your patio, separating a dining area from a lounge space, or a play area from a quiet retreat. Ultimately, a well-designed patio retaining wall can increase your property value and provide you with a beautiful, functional, and durable outdoor extension of your home. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about making your patio retaining wall truly beautiful. Decoration is key to integrating these structures seamlessly into your overall outdoor aesthetic. One of the most popular ways is to incorporate planting. The top of the wall or even crevices within it can be home to trailing plants, cascading flowers, or small shrubs, softening the hard edges and adding natural beauty. Lighting is another game changer. Strategically placed uplights or downlights can highlight the texture of the wall material at night, create a warm ambience, and enhance safety. Consider built-in seating, like the examples we'll see, which adds functionality and a cozy touch. Decorative elements like water features, sculptures, or even integrated shelving for potted plants can further personalize your space. Don't forget about the material itself. Choosing a material that complements your home's exterior and existing landscaping is crucial for a cohesive look. Finally, the surrounding hardscaping, like pavers or gravel, should flow harmoniously with the wall to create a unified and inviting outdoor haven. What are the best materials for patio retaining wall design? When it comes to choosing materials for your patio retaining wall, you have a fantastic range of options, each offering unique aesthetics and benefits. First, concrete blocks or segmental retaining wall blocks. These are incredibly popular for their versatility, durability, and relatively easy installation. They come in various colors, textures, and sizes, mimicking natural stone or having a more contemporary look. They're excellent for DIY projects and offer interlocking systems for stability. Second, natural stone. For a timeless, elegant, and organic look, natural stone like granite, limestone, or sandstone is unbeatable. It's incredibly durable and weathers beautifully over time, but it often requires professional installation due to its weight and specific cutting techniques. Third, poured concrete. This option offers immense design flexibility, allowing for curved shapes, integrated seating, and custom finishes like stamping or coloring. Poured concrete is extremely strong and long-lasting, making it a great choice for modern or minimalist designs, though it typically requires professional expertise. Fourth, timber or wood. For a more rustic, natural, or budget-friendly option, treated timber or railroad ties can be used. While less durable than stone or concrete, wood can be visually appealing and easier to work with for smaller projects. Regular maintenance is required to prevent rot and insect damage. Fifth, gabion walls. These are wire cages filled with rocks, offering a unique, industrial chic or natural look. They are permeable, allowing for good drainage, and can be a sustainable choice if local rocks are used. They offer a strong and stable structure with a distinctive aesthetic. Sixth, brick. Classic and charming, brick retaining walls offer a traditional look that complements many home styles. They are durable and visually appealing, but like natural stone, they often require professional masonry skills for proper installation. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best patio retaining wall design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Classic gray block retaining wall with lush greenery. This image showcases a beautifully constructed retaining wall made from large, textured gray concrete blocks. The clean lines and uniform appearance of the blocks provide a strong, contemporary foundation for the vibrant garden above. The wall seamlessly transitions into a smaller tiered section, indicating a slight elevation change, and is complemented by a neat gravel pathway alongside a paved area. The lush, diverse plantings atop the wall add a soft, natural contrast to the structured blocks, creating a harmonious balance between hardscaping and softscaping. This design is perfect for defining garden beds and creating distinct levels in your landscape. 2. Circular stone fire pit and seating area with integrated retaining wall. This inviting patio showcases a circular stone retaining wall that cleverly doubles as built-in bench seating, creating a cozy and intimate gathering space around a central fire pit. The multi-textured stone blocks of the wall and fire pit complement the intricate paving patterns of the patio floor. Cushions on the bench add comfort and a splash of color, while additional Adirondack chairs provide flexible seating. This design perfectly demonstrates how retaining walls can be integrated into functional outdoor living areas, offering both structural support and comfortable, stylish entertainment zones. 3. Serpentine stone retaining walls in a verdant backyard. This image illustrates a charming backyard featuring gently curving retaining walls built from light-colored, natural-looking stone blocks. These serpentine walls create gracefully elevated garden beds, separating the lush green lawn from beautifully mulched planting areas. The design adds a soft, organic flow to the landscape, blending seamlessly with the mature trees and shrubs. A paved pathway alongside the wall leads towards a cozy outdoor seating area, demonstrating how retaining walls can enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of a sloped backyard, making it more inviting and usable. 4. Contemporary built-in seating with planter retaining walls. This modern patio features sleek, light-colored block retaining walls that are expertly designed to incorporate built-in wooden bench seating. The L-shaped configuration of the seating area maximizes space and creates a cohesive outdoor lounge. Behind the benches, the retaining walls form raised planter beds filled with vibrant green foliage, adding a natural touch and privacy. The minimalist design, combined with thoughtful lighting and dark pebbles around the base, gives this patio a sophisticated and tranquil ambience, ideal for contemporary outdoor living. 5. Multi-level patio with integrated pizza oven and retaining wall seating. This dynamic outdoor space showcases a multi-level patio design, creatively utilizing retaining walls to define different zones. A lower wooden deck area transitions to a higher level featuring an artificial turf lawn, raised by a clean, white-rendered retaining wall. This wall cleverly incorporates an outdoor kitchen counter and a built-in seating area with wooden steps, leading up to the lawn. The design also features a stylish outdoor pizza oven and a dining area, demonstrating how retaining walls can be fundamental in creating highly functional and entertaining outdoor rooms. 6. Modern white-rendered retaining walls with integrated steps. This stunning outdoor space features contemporary, smooth white-rendered retaining walls that exude a clean and minimalist aesthetic. The walls create a defined, raised lawn area, accessible by elegant, wide steps that are integrated seamlessly into the design. The stark white of the walls contrasts beautifully with the green grass and the warm tones of the wooden fence in the background, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The design offers a sense of openness and sophistication, making it ideal for modern homes looking to create distinct zones within their outdoor living area. 7. Dramatic terraced landscape with winding stone retaining walls. This impressive landscape features a series of robust, gray, textured concrete block retaining walls that gracefully curve and ascend a significant slope. The walls create expansive terraced levels, allowing for large, vibrant flower beds filled with purple blooms. A naturalistic pathway, covered in wood chips, winds its way up the slope alongside the walls, leading to upper levels of the garden. This design is a masterclass in managing dramatic elevation changes, transforming a steep hill into a visually captivating and highly functional multi-tiered garden retreat. 8. Sweeping curved retaining walls with diverse plantings. This image highlights extensive, sweeping curved retaining walls constructed from natural toned, textured blocks, creating multiple levels of planting beds. The gentle curves of the walls add fluidity and elegance to the landscape, guiding the eye through the diverse array of low-maintenance shrubs, ornamental grasses, and colorful perennials. A paved pathway runs alongside the walls, further defining the space. This design is perfect for creating expansive, low-maintenance terraced gardens on gentle slopes, adding significant visual interest and maximizing planting opportunities. 9. Grand staircase integrated into tiered retaining walls. This grand entrance features a series of meticulously crafted gray concrete block retaining walls that seamlessly integrate a wide, ascending staircase. The walls create terraced planting beds on either side of the steps, filled with small, manicured shrubs and ground cover, adding greenery and softening the hardscape. The clean lines and strong architectural presence of the walls provide a sense of stability and elegance, leading up to a sophisticated stone-clad house. This design exemplifies how retaining walls can be a central feature in creating impressive and functional access points on sloped properties. 10. Cascading terraced stone walls with vibrant flower beds. This captivating design features multiple tiers of curved retaining walls constructed from natural, varied colored stone, creating a visually dynamic and intricate garden. Each tier supports a flourishing bed of colorful flowers and foliage, adding an explosion of vibrancy and life to the landscape. The undulating curves of the walls guide the eye through the garden, creating a sense of movement and depth. This design is perfect for transforming sloped areas into stunning, accessible multi-level gardens, showcasing a beautiful blend of rustic charm and horticultural artistry. Aren't those designs just incredible? It's amazing what a well-designed patio retaining wall can do for your outdoor space. Whether you're dealing with a steep slope, looking to add definition, or simply want to elevate your garden's aesthetic, a retaining wall offers so much potential. Remember, the key is to blend functionality with beauty. Consider your home's style, your landscape's unique characteristics, and your personal taste when choosing materials and design elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plants, lighting, and integrated features to make your patio truly your own outdoor oasis. If you found these ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more amazing home and garden inspiration every week. We love hearing from you, so let us know in the comments below which patio retaining wall design was your favorite, or if you have any questions about your own outdoor projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!